Now I'll try to keep this short, but I just had a call from one of our colleagues at the University of Bridgeport, and he wondered how I did the flipped classroom video where I put all my lessons on video and then had the students watch that at home. And then when they came to class, they were working on the computer and doing the math lab homework portion in class. But what do I have as tools? Well, I have a headset and a microphone that is connected, so it's recording my voice and capturing the current screen. But I wanted to also show you this. This is what is called a Wacom, W-A-C-O-M tablet that has a pen attached to it. And I'll be writing on this tablet. And then over here, I have a program that's called EpiPen. And I'll show you the links for these a little later. And if I click on that, it drops down the menu. I pick on a pen here, and I want to select red. And then as I write on here, it's writing on the screen. And of course, I'm not going to scribble. I'm going to write formulas and things like that. But then going over here, I can erase everything. And this is the toolbar that I use. I can change colors. I can change the stylus size. This is thin, thick, thicker. I can use a pen. I can use highlighter. I can actually get text in there. I can make lines. I can get a white screen if I want and take a screenshot of what I have here. So again, just showing the kinds of things that would appear. All right, I'm going to pause for a moment here. Now I've gone to my browser and I'm using Chrome, and I've typed in the search bar here, Screencast-O-Matic, and I will just let you see that could be lowercase letters. Screencast-O-Matic. Hit enter. And I'm assuming the program will come up here very shortly. And there it is right there. So it tells you record your desktop. So this is what I'm using. And here's the download. It's 100% free. Thing is, you can only record, I think, to 15 minutes in the free version. And then if you want it for a year, it's $20. So an excellent use. And if you would go to YouTube, I'm going to open up in a different tab here, and you type in the search bar, Screencast-O-Matic, click on tutorial, and they will actually give you tutorials on how the program works. I think it's an excellent way to record messages and lessons, and you're able to edit, delete, add, all kinds of things. I'm not going to go into that now. These programs do it. So once you do it and then get into your Canvas, and this is the class I'm teaching this term, click on your class. And then one of the menu bars over here on the left is Panopto Recordings. You click on that. And this is what I use for my Flip Classroom video lecture programs. And I've set it up for quiz reviews, test reviews, textbook videos that I've made. But here's Unit 1. There's Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. So for instance, we are currently on Unit 3. We have done, if I want to put them in order, I click on name, it puts them in order, and the students will be doing, after spring break, topic 3.6. So here it is. If I click on it, this is the lesson that I prepared for the students. We'll let you just see what it looks like.
Moving on to topic 6 now of Unit 3,
And if
the
we
conditional.
Going through, I'm using the PowerPoint slides,
so again, you need
and
to
using
look
my
at your
pen,
tables.
I'm actually writing different things out. And we ask students in our classes to take notes on this, and this becomes a part of their notebook grade that is checked normally on a weekly basis. Now, I'm going to close this for a moment. So I'm back to Panupto Recordings, that first screen, where you can add a folder. You just title it. And then if you want to, within that folder, let's say quiz reviews, for instance, or any of these folders, I want to add a video that I've made. I would go here to create. Now you can actually do a recording from this, but I like the Screencast-O-Matic so much better, so much easier to use. And then when I get a video and I've saved it to my video files, I can go upload media and then pick out from my video collection the lesson I want to include. So I've done a lot of videos. If I want to find in my video folder, I'll click on search up over here, if I can. And if I type in, let's say, 3.5, that's not quite working there. Let's see here. There we go. 3.5. It's being a little, and then hit enter. It searches through my video folder and will give me the option to put in the one that I want to submit here. And let's just suppose it's this one. I could pick it out of here as well. It's running a little strange here today. Okay, I have it going, and there's 3.5 quiz review right there. I would click on that, and then I click open. And what it does is it takes that video from my file and now put it on Panupto Recordings, and it will add it in this slot. And then it comes up here. So then this is available to all of the students. As you can see now, it's loading down below. I'm not going to spend any time on this, just to show you that how it works. And it says it's now added to my file. I can close this. But if I go to YouTube now, and if you'd like to see the kinds of things that I've produced for my 102 classes, go to the search bar and you type in UB Math Zone, and it comes up, and click enter. Then click on this, and then there on videos. And these are the videos I've produced. Now, a summary of how I run my classes is right here under UB Orientation. So if you'd like to see that, you can click on that, and it gives you a general idea how I integrate the flipped classroom video and the lab work in the class. And this is what we'll be doing during this extraordinary time when we're not going to be in the classroom as such. again, it worked out for me that I had it set up this way already. But if you are interested in using this, this is a brief introduction to the tools and what I've done, and I would be happy to answer questions in the future. And I'll try to keep this short.